This is the ScopeAround M28 digital otoscope. This is a lot nicer than using one that connects to your smartphone because it's simply plug and play, easy operation. So all you got to do is turn on the device here, plug in the camera, and you're good to go. You can use it to examine your teeth. You can use it to look in your mouth or in your ears. You can even use it on your pets or just for examining any small areas that are typically hard to see. All the buttons on the top are really easy to use. You have a button on the side here to take pictures or videos. Simply just press it and it saves to the 8 gigabytes of storage within. There's no way to expand the storage, but the 8 gigabytes is plenty of space. It comes with 3 speculums and a unique ear scoop. So you place this on the tip of the camera here, slides right on. And now you can use this to scrape out your ears. You can see the little lights on the end of the camera here really light up anything that it's pointing at. The screen is actually really good quality. So it might look a little blurry right here, but once you get it in here and you really fine tune where you're at, you can use it to scrape and pull out earwax. Much better than using a Q-tip. If you're just examining your ears, just install one of these speculums right on the camera tip, and it offers a more comfortable way of examining. Comes with this little stand, so you can magnetically attach it to the back and prop it up on the counter. Pretty handy. There's a multitude of settings that you can access. You can adjust the playback, the resolution, the language, the date stamp, time date, version, check out the storage, format it, all sorts of stuff right from the buttons on the top. I like how it has a built-in battery, lasts about 2 or 3 hours. I get about 2.5 hours of use out of it. Simply plug in the included USB-C cable, and this goes into USB-A. Charges up in about an hour. In my opinion, the ScopeAround M28 is a lot better of an option than using a smartphone otoscope. Simple to use, no app required, very little setup, no guesswork, really easy. If you need a good way to examine tight spaces or clean out your ears, the ScopeAround M28 is my pick. Highly recommended.